All right, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. Today we got the Lexus in the garage, and
It's so dirty.
yeah, it's dirty. It's okay. We'll fix that later. But we got Colin bought these sway bar end links. They're from Figs Engineering, and we're about to put those on. This should be a relatively easy install to do. You want to put adjustable sway bar end links on your car. If you're lowering it, it just puts less stress on your suspension and all that. And it's pretty cheap and it's pretty easy to do. So we're gonna do that right now, and we're gonna show you. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is take off the wheels. Now, we already jacked up the car because we were doing something earlier. So a little trick for you is, instead of lowering the car to loosen the lug nuts, I'm just gonna sit inside the car and hold down the brake pedal while Colin can loosen the lug nuts.
But if you're like me and I'm normally just by myself and you're lonely, then you're screwed.
Yeah, then you're gonna have to lower the car and take off the lug nuts and then jack up the car, and you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna take off the wheels right now, and then we'll see you when that's done. All right, so right here is the stock sway bar end link. So looks like it's just a 14mm bolt.
I think they're both 14 maybe, or 12, yeah.
Actually, that's a nut. And yeah, we're just gonna pop those off, and then we'll be able to slide the new guys back in. Bam, boy. Alright, so we got the end link on there. Same thing on the other side, down there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure them and make them the same length, just to be nice and accurate there.
I should have just done that before.
Yeah, we should have done it before, but
Actually, I might need to adjust them, so
we're gonna do that right now. Pretty easy install so far. I mean, pretty straightforward. All right, so they're on. They're all measured. They're all good to go. And Colin's just gonna turn the wheel. We're gonna check clearance, see if they bind or anything. Looks good.
yeah, I think we're good.
Damn, that angle though. Woo! What are you doing? He's dancing.
Come here, son. You see this? This is a turbocharger. Now, every now and then, you gotta knock out all the horsepower out of your turbocharger, because, you know, if you have too much of those horsepowers, those cops are gonna be on your sticks.
Okay, so all jokes aside, now that we're all done, we're just gonna throw the wheels on, and we're gonna go for a little test drive. All right, so everything seems to be okay. Pretty easy install. Pretty cheap install, or
It's not that cheap, but
I mean, like, it's easy. It's like super nice, but yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe and leave us a comment. We need video suggestions. We'll take those too. And have a great day. And thanks for watching the Absolute Trash. We'll see you in the next one.